वेलकम टू Valsquicktips&tricks कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. So today I will show you again a masala for a curry, and for that what we need is one whole big coconut, whole big grated coconut. Then I have taken 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 15 of peppercorns, black peppercorns, a small ball of tamarind, 5 to 6 of Kashmiri red chilies, 3 of our Goan button chilies, that is mapsacho mutkyo misangyo, then 1 teaspoon of ginger, and this is around 6 flakes of garlic. So this all we need to grind, okay, to a fine paste. For mango curry, we need mangoes. So I am taking, these are of our trees only, so I am taking only this mangoes, 2 mangoes. You can put more also. We have to cut this, and I have got dried mango paddo which I have soaked in water now. So these are like dried mango seed. Okay, so we have to cut this. Then we need 1 onion, red onion, whatever onion, and we'll apply salt for this and keep a pinch of salt for the onion, and we'll keep this. So then you cut mango how you want. So when you are putting mango in a mango curry, see that the tamarind is very less. Okay. So गोंयान आता तोरांचो सीजन आसा. सो हेका लागून आमी आमची तोरांची कोडी करुया. ओके. सो हेका आपण इल्लेशें मीठ लावन दवरुया. We'll apply a little bit of salt for this and keep. Now this prawns, which I am going to add it for our mango curry. Okay, so Goan mango curry, Goan mango prawns curry. So for that we need this head. Don't discard this head, because we have to take out juice of this. Grind this and take out the juice, and we can add it to our prawns curry. Okay, so very simple. I will show you one. I have got a lot of prawns recipes where I have shown how to clean prawns. So this all don't discard. Keep it aside. And then we have to, this is very important, devein it. And throw it out. The same way we have to do all. So how many prawns you are going to add for this curry, it's up to you. So I will be adding to around 6 prawns. The rest I will be frying. Let's grind this all. So tamarind should be very less for this recipe. Let's grind this with adding water. आता हे वाटून घेऊया आणि उदक घालत आणि वाटत बारीक मसालो वाटून घेऊया. सो हियर इज अ मसाला रेडी. तर आमचे आयन तयार आसा. तर आता आमी हेका तोरांची कोडी करूया. सो दिस इज विदाउट ऑयल. Add the onion. Add water now. So how much thick you want? So I approx 2 cups. So whatever is there for the mixer, in that only I have added. Now I will. So we need little bit of more water. Let's keep for a boil. So once it gets a boil, then we'll add a mango. So now we got this boil. तर आता एका बरो हे येयला खतखतो येयला. So we'll add a mango. And we'll cook this, and we'll check our salt. So it will take quick to get cooked. Ah, what an aroma! Wow! Now this is there, and now I have to remove juice for this. Okay, I have to put in mixer and take out juice. Then we need for our curry even around 4 green chilies, small one. So first we'll remove juice. This is almost ready. So this looks like this. Now we have to strain this. So this is how you remove the juice. So done. This is ready. Now we will add this in our curry. So mango is cooked, and now we will add our this juice in this. And we mix this. So let it get a boil nicely, and then we will add our prawns. Check the salt. We'll add salt to this. Once the boil comes, we will add our prawns. Now at this point, we will add our prawns. So let it get little bit of, we call it konkani khatkato. Let it boil for few minutes. And then now we will add our prawns are also, we applied salt. So now we add prawns to this. So I am using big prawns, which is around 8. I had said 6, but I added 2 extra because I love prawns. So we'll cook this for few minutes and it's done, because prawns get cooked very quickly. Add our chilies on top and it's done. So hope you all will enjoy this, our Goan Torachi Kodi. So Goan raw mango curry with prawns, and enjoy your meal. Try to have it with ukde, that is Goan rice. Already my video is there how to cook in pressure cooker in a quicker way, and try this and enjoy. Thank you so much. Yummy, delicious. So let's put off the gas and it's done, because we don't want to overcook the prawns. So you want to see the prawns cooked. Yeah, prawns are cooked. Thank you.
Now our favorite Goan Sungtachem Kodi. Yummy, looks tasty. Thank you.
So now let's serve this our ukde and our Goan Sungtachem Kodi. Enjoy.